Happy day after Turkey Day. You're alive. Woohoo! You did not die of the turkey overdose of 2019. I'm excited. Did you do what I said? Was it a great day? Are you still having a great holiday? Are you still having joy with your family? I hope you are. I hope you are. Today's video is going to be really cool because it's to give you a glimpse. As you can see, this is a weird part of our property that is kind of unused. So the house, I'll spin you around. The house is over there. You see Ella playing. The garden's right here. And then over here is going towards the north part, the northeast part of our property, which over here we are going to be having permaculture swales that run and harvest water. And this is going to be a spot that we are going to have a food forest. This will be our northeastern food forest. South is that way. We're gonna get good sun exposure hitting this. It's gonna be awesome. We are going to be growing a food forest over here. And the swales will be in before the end of this year. And I'm so excited. We don't have an excavator here today. Today, what I'm going to be sharing with you is a little bit of a teaser on what we're gonna be doing. It's gonna be similar landscape. It'll have a lot more rock. Of course, we don't have rock here, but this will be in Austin, Texas. If you're from Texas, you understand everything about Austin. This is the hill country. There's lots of really big hills that look like small mountains. But the city of Austin hired me to video and document Pete Van Dyke of Drought Proof Texas making 3 permaculture swales that are going to, the water was running off of this hill and it was creating a lot of erosion, and they tried to do this by hand, and they said, we're not going to do this by hand anymore. Pete, get an excavator and you do this and do something amazing for us. And he did. It is amazing what this guy can do with an excavator. This is a little teaser on what we are going to be doing on our property.
And this is just above our golden cheek warbler habitat, so there's karst features down below, and hopefully this will rehydrate some of those features as well.
like that? Wasn't that super cool? Isn't Pete, man, what he can do, like just the precision that he can do with that big old machine. I cannot wait to get him on our property again. It is gonna be awesome. I cannot wait to just know where we are going to plant our fruit trees. It's gonna be good. It's gonna help with our erosion. It's gonna help to build soil. If you cannot tell, I am excited. We have been waiting for this for such a long time. Put down in the comments below of what questions do you have about us building our permaculture swales on our property. Put down any kind of permaculture questions, any kind of food forest questions that you have, any kind of land management questions that you might have. Put it down in the comments below, because I would like to be able to do a permaculture series with kind of within these 30 days, or maybe after the 30 days. That is what we can do. All right, we're gonna build a food forest. I can't wait. See you tomorrow. Bye.